Hey guys, Lindsay here. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to go ahead and do this month's Collective Cosmetics subscription box. I am going to try to go through this a little quicker than usual because it's trying to storm outside and we've been having really bad luck in my neighborhood lately where the power's been going out when it storms. So I want to try to get this filmed before I get halfway into it and lose power. So just a quick reminder, I get the Decadence box, which is $50. They do have a second tier, which is $27 called the Austere box. You just get less items. Let me go ahead and show you the accessories first. You usually get either one or two accessories. I am wearing one of them. So it's this necklace. It's got a lock and a chain. That's one of them. And then the other one is this bracelet. I don't have it attached just because my husband is cooking dinner right now and I didn't want to bother him, but it looks like this. It is just a little anatomical heart, but it just has a little clasp, so really easy to put on. Super cute. Did I tell you the theme of the box? I guess I didn't. The theme of the box is heart in the wrong place, so hence the anatomical heart. We're getting into a little bit more of the creepy vibe, I guess, for Halloween. So let's look at the liquid lipstick. So the liquid lipstick is called Dextrocardia, and it's a really beautiful, interesting kind of like soft muted red color. Really pretty. I will put that on closer to the end. And the highlighter for this month is called Echo, and it's described as a pale blue highlighter with gold reflex. So let me show you this. So that's what it looks like. And let me give it a little, do a little on the back of my hand, I guess. I'll do a little on there. So I guess I could actually put it on my cheekbones. Grab my Black Moon Cosmetics brush. Okay, so that is the highlighter on, very beautiful. Next up we have the three shadows. I just put them in my little Z palette for now, since I'm using the large palette for my collective shadows now, so I'll show you up close. These are the three shadows. So we have the silver one up top. That one's called Takotsubo. I'm sure I'm mispronouncing that. And it's a silver chrome shadow. And then to the right is Rosetta Stone. It's a satin red shadow. That one is a permanent one that they sell. And then the one to the left is called Right Axis, and it's an inky blue matte eyeshadow. So the blue and silver are exclusive to the box, and the red one you can actually buy on their website. So I already kind of have an idea of what I want to do. We're just going to zoom right in and go ahead and do it. I have swatches on my Instagram, so if you want to see swatches, you can go there. I'm not going to swatch them again now. We're going to stick them on my eyes because, like I said, we're rushing. So let me zoom you in and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so since, as you can see, I already started the other eye without hitting record. I'm really good at that. What can I say? All I did was took Rosetta Stone on this kind of fluffy flat brush and packed it all over the lid. Simple and easy. On top of my tacky primer, which as usual is the ABH primer. All right, and then I'm just gonna take another brush and just kind of blend the crease area. I haven't added any additional product. I'm just kind of softening that crease area. I will probably go back in and add some color though. For now, I just want to soften the line. I did go higher with this one, so I definitely will have to even out the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna take just this fluffy brush and dip it into Rosetta Stone and start working on going a little bit more fluffed out. And then I'm just gonna take a clean brush and kind of knock this down a little bit. All right, next up I'm gonna go into the blue shade right there with a kind of dense, fluffy blending brush. And I want to add some depth to the very, very outer corner. So I'm just gonna kind of stamp it on like this. not sure how dark I want to go yet. And I'm going to take the fluffy brush and blend. Just kind of go back and forth between the two. Actually, it's pretty good. Same thing with the inner corner. Pretty much doing like a little bit of a halo eye here. Just gonna use this, I think, to blend. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more of the red right down the center. Make sure it's nice and bright. Okay. And then I want to take the silver on the lower lash line, and I want to just do a really heavy silver lower lash line. Like heavy. Heavy. Okay, so that is it. And now I have silver everywhere. And then I think I want to go ahead and grab a little bit of the highlighter and just pop it right above. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. And I might as well just kind of, I like to, with these highlighters, I love to kind of like sprinkle them. I like that. Okay, I don't really know what color I want to do for the waterline, so I think I'll have a better idea once I put the mascara and lashes on. So let me go ahead and just finish up the eye look, and I'll probably go ahead and put the lip on too, just because you don't really need to see me do that. So let me do all that and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am super happy with it. I absolutely love it. I love this lip color. It ended up being a bit more of a toned down red than I was expecting. I really, really like it. I feel like it's a bit more like of a softer red. It's a bit more like wearable, I guess you would say. I don't know. I really like it though. I would feel very comfortable going out in it. For the eyes, I finished it off with a pair of the Anxious Angel lashes from Likely Makeup. And then I decided to just kind of go all in with the red vibe and did the red liner from ColourPop. So this is Venus. I've been really enjoying the fun pop that red liner adds to a look. It's just like, it's really unexpected and it really stands out because like red liner is just very interesting. And I like the way it looks, especially with that really bold silver liner. I really like this eye the best because I got a really good point with my silver wing as opposed to this eye, but you know, that's how all wings are, isn't it? One of them is always better than the other. But yes, overall, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I kind of like had this in my eye, like in my head. I knew I wanted to do the red all over with the blue kind of smoked out, like as a halo eye with the silver underneath, but it wasn't quite like this. I didn't know how the blue was gonna look on top of the red, and I actually kind of like the way it's just kind of like a subtle smokiness. I think it's really pretty. I love the way the silver turned out on the lower lash line. My only thing is I kind of wish that I would have just gone straight in with doing the mixing medium that I've done in the past, because I think it would have been much faster. I could have just glided it on, because that usually just makes a nice little pace and a nice, you know, liner, and it works really great with like shimmery metallic shadows. This worked well mixing it kind of with a wet brush, but I did have to keep going back in and re-wetting the brush and going back into the shadow, so it was just more time consuming. But that mixing medium, you know, works really well. But in the end, I got a really nice, like, in-your-face metallic silver line, so I do like the end result. But yeah, overall, love this look, love the box. I think it turned out really nice, so very happy with it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.